What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and good morning. Hope you're all having a great start of this Monday. Little voice crack, and hope you had a great weekend. In this video, we'll talk about Lever Finance again. Haven't covered it in a while, but yesterday I already saw that we were very bullish heading into the afternoon. Didn't cover it initially, but right now, I mean, I did want to cover it, but had no time yesterday, so I'm covering it today. Yeah, so a lot of volume. 180 million right now coming from credible sources, which we should say is very bullish. That's great to see. I mean, you can see some coming from Hotcoin, but that's like barely anything. Most is coming from Binance, which is amazing to see. And the thing is that there are some bullish developments and fundamentals behind Lever Finance that are causing this move. Now, I have to say, Lever Finance previously was sometimes manipulated as well. I'm not going to say that there are not some whales playing a game right now as well. I do think so. I think some whales are buying in as well, so that's just something to know. Whales almost always make money, so when they start selling, it's probably over. But as I said, there are some bullish fundamentals for Lever Finance specifically as well, so I wanted to explore those. I wanted to explore whether it's actually possible to get up to next price targets. As you can see on the Binance Lever against USDT pair, at least on Binance, we reached up to this level here at 50 cents. No, not 50 cents. 0.5, like half a cent. Yeah, but in this video, for simplicity, we'll call that 5,000. All right. So half a cent is 5,000. 0.4 cents is 4,000, and so forth. We reached that level. I don't know if we did that on CoinMarketCap as well. Yeah, it seems like we did as well. So that's amazing. The big news behind that is that obviously not too long ago, Lever Finance actually used their decentralized trading protocol, which you can see right here, where you can trade with leverage. No, I don't want to log in. No, not again. And what they started yesterday is they actually started a campaign where you could actually win some money if you traded on Lever Finance, because right now you can see the total volume traded is not amazing. 100,000, it's really not that great. So what they have launching tomorrow, so that's why ahead of that we are pretty bullish. Is that 60,000 USDC can be won by traders on Lever Finance. So you have to trade a minimum of 100 USD. So why is this bullish for the Lever token? That is that fees are actually, I'm not sure where it actually is. Well, all right, but the fees, the thing is that if you actually have Lever Finance, I think there's another token like X Lever, where if you actually stake Lever, you gain X Lever tokens. Yeah, here you can see, and it represents one vote in the governance. However, I think you also get delegated a part of the fees. Yeah, so a distribution of protocol fees to X Lever stakers. So what's going to happen with this campaign is more people are going to trade, which means more fees are generated, which means more value is going to people that hold the Lever token. That's one of the reasons why it's bullish. And apart from that, as I said, it's probably manipulated as well. However, it's going to be really tough to get higher than what we did. We already went up by a lot, right? I mean, the entirety of this move has been 150%, at least on the USDT, almost 150%. So right now, what's happening? I mean, we haven't even closed above this resistance level around the 382 FIB and 4,000. So what's happening is that there's some support right now at 0.5 FIB. I don't think that's going to be strong enough. I think I think we might find some support there, but I think eventually we'll drop back down to 3,500 and 3,400, or as I said, 0.35 cents and 0.34 cents. I think we'll find support there. And the one thing we would actually need to do from here, if we want to get up even higher, is break above 4,200. That's the main resistance. If we break above that, I think first of all we'll get up to 5,000 again. But second of all, I also think we'll reach up to our next price target, which in my opinion would be around 0.6 cents or 6,000. That's my first price target. We might reach even higher than that, but that's when I'll do an update. But the main thing is that sure, we are going to find support here at 3,500, 3,400, but we need to actually prove that there's still bullish momentum. So we would need to break above 4,200. Now, the thing is that the bullish news is already coming out tomorrow. All right, so it looks almost more likely that we will do something like this, but that we will not be getting above 4,200, and that will slowly drop back down to 3,000. Maybe find some bullish momentum from there, but then start dropping back down to like 2,500, 2,700, based upon which we can actually consolidate and stay up there. So yeah, that's my full update on Leverfi Finance, both with the news and the technicals. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, take care and bye.